Hi everybody, welcome to another tutorial on Bleass Groovebox. In this video we are going to go and have a look, a deep dive into the drum machine or drum truck. So this is a project, a default project with nothing in it. So let's explore straight away what we can do on a drum machine. So let's click and hold on the drum machine, and here you have the track 1 settings. First of all, you can set the track to be monosynth, chords, or drum machine. You can set also the groove on increment of 2. Okay, we'll leave that to 50. You can set the MIDI channel for MIDI in. Okay, so off all on a specific MIDI channel, and you can do the same for MIDI out and also for the audio out as well, which will be the 1 or 2, which are the only one available, or both. So let's click back. Now let's we have seen in the previous video that you can solo that part, and here is where you have your loop. So you click and hold, and you have a selection of edit, copy, paste, delete, cancel. So let's click on edit. So here we are on a grid for our drum track. So let's listen to all the different samples first of all. Okay, and let's click play. So you can add in each of the grid a sample that needs to be played. You can also, after select the different ones, and when you have one selected, you click on it again to remove it. So click remove, select remove, select remove, select remove, select remove, select remove, etc. So let's select a kick drum every 4 steps, like so, and let's click play. Okay, other things you can do. You can change the pitch here. So let's select the second kick drum and increase the pitch by 5. The third one, increase the pitch by 10, and the fourth one, let's increase the pitch by 15. And let's click play. And as you can hear, you can change the pitch. Really straightforward. So let's add again the same kick drums on the same exactly steps. You can change the velocity, of course, down here. So let's say that these last two kicks drum steps, we are going to increase the velocity to 7, and also to 7 the last two. Let's click play. So for a dramatic effect. Okay, let's remove and reinsert that. You have a selection here for pad, so if you click on the pad, here you can use your fingers and the touch screen and play, and you can also record that, and you can set the quantization as well, and the different bits as well you want in terms of duration that you want to record. For now, let's go back to the previous screen. So if you click and hold and move to the right, you go back to this view underneath here where you can add bars, like in this case 2. So another bar has appeared here. If I click on it, there's nothing. So let's add something, and let's add a snare, like so. If I click play, now the 2 bars will be played. Okay, let's click and scroll again down here. You can set the grid to 12 or 16, and you can also set the speed. So if I set it to 2, I click play. So you can hear that is double the speed. Now let's add a third bar. Let's go to that bar there. Okay, let's go to pad. Okay, and let's record and over that bar. Let's click stop. Let's go back, and we are on the third bar here. You can see there are some adjustments to be made. So for example, that we move it there, and the same here. And we have our new bar. Now let's go back to pads again. Let's enable repeat. Okay. Let's record, and let's click play and see what happens. I'm going to record the hi-hat in repeat mode. Okay. Okay, so what I've done, I clicked on repeat and held the repeat as I was clicking on the hi-hats, and I also changed the rate of the particular note that I was recording. So let's go back to the previous screen, and you can see what's happened. So let's make some adjustments, something that we have missed. That looks good. Let's check if other bars have been affected. For example, there, and we can remove it. So let's click play. Now, something to to have a look at is also the loop function here. If I click loop and I am on bar number 1, that will keep repeating. So I can disable it, and it will play all the 3 bars again. Okay, perfect. And if I go back to the main screen, here we have our loop is in there. So let's click play. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Now you know how to record your drum machine and track inside Bleass Groovebox. See you next time. Bye.